And here we have the Marvo Storm wireless mechanical gaming keyboard, the KG991W. Let's unbox this and have a look. Okay, opening up this box, let's have a look what's inside. We greeted off with some great artwork over here. Let's move this out the way and let's see what's underneath. Okay, starting off, we have a little booklet here, which seems to be, yep, you guessed it, the instruction manual. Now, quick browse of this. Everything looks quite nice and neat. Let's put this away. Okay, we shift the box up a bit and let's quickly remove this little box here on the right hand side and see what's inside. Opening her up. Okay, we seem to have a cable. This is a USB-A to a USB-C type cable. Keycap remover. Let's see how this thing looks. Quite nice, sturdy, and seems like it should grab those keys just fine. Put her back in the little plastic and let's zip her up and put her one side. Now for the keyboard. Let's remove these little foam pieces, put them back in the box. Okay, removing the keyboard out of the sheath of plastic. Let's have a look at this. Let's switch on. Now, right off the bat, greeted with some RGB lights and a starting up screen. And there we go. It's got some power, showing some time. Kickstands, let's flip them up. Oh, listen to that. Quite sturdy. And we have a USB-C port to obviously charge her up. This is a fully RGB keyboard. Keystrokes on this is nice and soft, smooth for a mechanical keyboard. I wasn't expecting this. So far, so good. Have a look at that.